Take a ride in the 2012 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.